I love watching my Angyo if she's lying down like this. And it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Here, where's the mouth? Where's the mouth? You're relaxing like this, lying down like this? Huh? Hey, huy. Why like that? Tang tang! Tisahan da ah. Where's the tummy? Where's the tummy? Oh, is this the tummy? This is the tummy. Look how he's sleeping. He's showing, no, not sleeping. He's just only showing his tummy, that's all. See? Tang you. Where's your big eyes? This is your big eyes? Is that your big eyes? And Tang Tang? What you doing there? My Tang Tang and Angyo is the best buddy. That's why, where is Tang Yu? Tang Tang is there also. Or sometimes me. Always following me. Only rely on me and Angyo. Because he is deaf. There, he's playing with Angyo. Angyo is no problem because he's in the mood today. Sometimes he's sleeping and Tang Tang is go and lie down with him. He's angry. But now he's in the mood, see? Oh, so sweet this Tang Tang. Poor Tang Tang, he is deaf, cannot hear. That's why if I'm pulling only my mouth, he's looking. Only following me. And, Anya, where are you going, Baba? Where are you going, Baba? Oy. Angry again? Tang Tang is sumakulit. Ah? Tang Tang is sumakulit. Ay, is itching still. How many earbuds I use? It's 4 earbuds I use. Still not clean properly na. Because it's so difficult na. Sige na. Bye-bye na. Say bye-bye. Where's Amo Kiss? Kiss nga rude. Where's Amo Kiss? Kiss? Apay nga gayam. Angyo. Angyo baba. Sinda Angyo baba. And this tata also is naughty tata. Sige na. Bye-bye. Thank you, subscriber. Please like and subscribe and share and comment also down below. Thank you so much. Thank you. And take care, everyone. All over the world. Bye.